Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to reset Telegram setting. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting, tap on your setting, scroll down little bit, tap on your find apps, search here Telegram, scroll down little bit, tap on your Telegram storage. You can see here two options, clear data and clear cache. Tap on your clear cache. After that, tap on your clear data. On clear local database, go back, tap on your Telegram permission, tap on allow all permission. Now go back to your home screen. Tap on your Telegram apps. Tap on this icon. Now go back. Go to your Telegram apps. Tap on your Telegram. You can see that your Telegram apps is already problem solved. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.